Hi guys, this is Rahul and you're welcome to gomahamaya.com. In this beautiful tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to link your YouTube account with a Google Ads account to get the YouTube data inside your Google Ads. So let's get started. Once you are inside your Google Ads account, you need to hover over the admin and there you'll find link account. You need to click on link accounts. And inside that you have to scroll down and you have to find YouTube, or you can search YouTube from this icon. So I'll click on YouTube details. Once you are here, you need to click on add channels. You have two options. Either you can search the name of the channel or you can directly paste the URL. So I'm going to search my YouTube channel, that is Go Mahamaya. And you'll see I found my YouTube channel and there I own this channel or someone else own this channel. So we are going to learn both the options. First I'm going with someone owns the channel. And there I need to enter the email ID of the YouTube, which is the admin of the YouTube account. And next option we have is view request message. You can see what message is going to be sent to the user. There you have option to click on send request. Now you'll receive a request from the YouTube that someone wants to link your Google Ads account with the YouTube ad account. So you have to click on review the link request. And the email ID shown rahul30pro@gmail.com. Even you will see the Google Ads customer ID. You have to click on review link request. So currently you can see I'm logged in with different account, that is Faru collection. I have to log in as Go Mahamaya. So I'm going to click on switch account and there you'll see Google Ads linking. Customer ID you can see, and there you need to write down the name, link name, test agency YouTube, and they will be able to access your Google YouTube view counts and the remarketing and engagement. They will be having the access of these details such as view count, remarketing, engagement. You have to click on link. Now account link is saved. In case if you want to unlink your Google Ads account with the YouTube ad account, you have to go to settings, and inside setting we have channels. Inside channels we have advanced setting. If you scroll down, you'll see the Google Ads account linking option. You can unlink from here. If you want to link more account, you have to click on link account. Now we'll write down the name which you want to link. Anything name you can give. Now we have to give the name to our link name. So I'm going to write down Rahul Ads to test. And there we have to write down the customer ID. Here you can see 558 is already connected. So I'm going to enter the different email ID or the different ads account for this particular work. So I'll go back to my YouTube channel and I'll enter the number. And now you have option to choose the metrics which you want to share with this particular user ID and click on done and click on save. Now if you'll go back, if you'll go to admin, if you'll go to link account, you'll be able to see your YouTube one receive. Click on manage and link and click on view request, click on approve. This is the second way to link your YouTube ad account to your Google Ads account. And here you can see this customer ID is different than this customer ID and both are linked to one YouTube account. Now you have second method. We are going to click on unlink, unlink yes. And here also I'm going back to setting and go to channel, go to advanced, choose unlink, unlink, save. Now go back to your ads account, click on add channel, again type Go Mahamaya or your YouTube channel name, select the channel. Now choose the first option, I own this channel, and go to YouTube, and here you'll see you are requested to link ad account number this as Go Mahamaya, but you are signed in as Faru collection, so you have to click on switch channel. Now same like previous one, write down the name, anything, third test, click link account. Now go back and you'll see if you'll refresh, account is linked. So I hope you find this video useful. If you did, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more further updates. Thank you.